Hello everybody, today we are unboxing Galaxy S10 which is just arrived. I have pre-ordered the S10 13 days ago, so I have to wait 13 days for the delivery of S10. I can say that it is more or less on time as it is advertised. In Europe region, actually I don't know the other regions, but there is a promotion for the S10 and S10 Plus. If you pre-order them you can get Galaxy earbuds for free of charge, but this is not applicable for the S10e model. I think it is very beneficial promotion if you plan to have a wireless earphone. This is actually the reason why I choose the S10 model instead of S10e. Actually the size of S10e, it is flat screen, price tag, which makes it ideal for me. However, just because of the Galaxy earbuds promotion I have purchased S10, although I'm not really the fan of the curved screen. Anyway, maybe I will find the telephoto lens more useful than I thought. I don't know, let's see. I like the promotion itself, but what annoys me is the Samsung process to get the free of charge earbuds. After your phone is arrived, you need to load the Samsung app and log into the Samsung app to provide some identification info about your recently arrived Galaxy phone. I will apply the promotion just after this unboxing. I hope Samsung will not limit the color options of the earbuds to have a single color like prism white or something else, because I like to have the black color, although my phone is white prism white. I have to admit that over the past decade Galaxy phones are matured enough with incrementally upgrades, which brings us one of the perfect phone in the market. The phone itself provides great hardware configuration with amazing display, ultrasonic fingerprint screen, great camera setup, etc. It even provides enough fluent day-to-day experience, although it fails the benchmark test against the iPhone XS. Anyway, now Samsung set the bar enough high. I only wish from Samsung to come up with a great software to catch the quality of the Pixel 3 photos. When I looked at the Samsung samples and also the Pixel 3 samples side by side, from the clarity and the sharpness point of view, S10 photos may be better than Pixel 3. However, the dynamic range and the color composition created by the Pixel 3 touched my taste more than S10. I hope in coming weeks Samsung come up with a great software enhancement for the S10 photography. Let's open the box now. So I'm opening the box itself, and it is just like this come from the DHL, and S10 is here. So the plastic, let me remove the plastic. The boxes looks very similar to the previous years as $9. Okay, here the phone it is. I think the size is good for me because I don't think that I can use S10 Plus because it's too big. Now, as I said, my actual size is S10e, but yeah, just because of the earbuds promotion I choose this model. Here is the phone itself, the prism white model. I think this is the most beautiful model for this year. That's the reason I choose the white option, the prism white option. And in the box we have the charging, the outlet, which is the fast charging option. Yes, it is. And we have the adapter from micro USB, the USB type C to USB type A. And what else we have is some adapters, which is I think very good. No, it is a cable. Okay, so this is the cable, the charging cable, and also the data cable, USB A and USB type C. And here is one more adapter, which is from micro USB to USB Type-C. I think this is useful. And we have the earphones, which is in white color, which is the color of the phone, and it is tuned by EKG. I think this is the same headphones from the previous year. Yeah, that's all from the unboxing. And I have also purchased from Amazon some cases, which I will try to try right now. And I would like to see how the phone looks like with the cases. Maybe if I open this, okay, let's. Okay, it was only for the front, and we have something else similar for the front side. No, that's it. Okay. Yeah, I think the phone itself is rather tiny, and it makes that then you have a good feeling. It makes a good grab, so it is gives you a good grab feeling. This is a silicone case, nice color I think, and I have also other cases, which is the in white color. I'm curious how it looks. Yes, I think this looks very beautiful. I don't know, the white color this year for the Galaxy S10 looks very beautiful, and the color of the tone of the white of this case is also very nice. I think this is very good. It looks beautiful. I have two more cases to try on. Which is in black color. Actually, this is a carbon color, but not really a carbon. I think just the printing. What I feel is the silicone cases is more protective than the others, and I think this is thick enough, but not thick much to disturb the grabbing. So yeah, but I feel is because I used the S9 model last year, and now I'm switching from S9 to S10. The feeling I have when I have the phone in my hands, this looks a little bit lighter than the S9, and maybe in numbers, I don't know what is the difference in numbers, but the feeling it gives is really light. I don't know, maybe when I'm using in a rush conditions, I don't know how I feel it, but now when I just take it in my hands, it gives me a feeling that the phone itself is a light phone in terms of weight. So this is another one. This is also actually plastic or silicone, but like it looks like leather. Let's put it how it looks like in this option, in this black color. Yeah. To be honest, I like the most the white option, which is the one I like the most. And also the second is this one. Probably this year I like the colorful things. And this is the third, and this is the fourth. But I think all of them is very good and good to use. Maybe I will get some more colorful options later, but this is all for this video, and I will make some samples from this phone and share with you guys. And yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.